Wolf spider.
I
A
want to
wolf who
throw
has
you
spider
around
legs.
just like my
I don't know
broken
what the hell does that
TV.
mean. If you like and share, send us who looks like a wolf spider.
If you'll come back once more, it shall be painful, you'll see.